Hello friends, today we will be dealing with immunotherapy. Immunotherapy is a new kind of treatment in the field of cancer. It is also an ongoing research field. Definition of immunotherapy. Immunotherapy activates our own immune system to kill cancer cells. It boosts our immune system to fight against various kinds of disease and infections. Our immune system cells contains WBCs, T cells, APCs and many organs and tissues of lymph system. Now let's see how immunotherapy works. It works by boosting the body's immune system in a very general way. Second, it trains the immune system to attack cancer cells specifically. Third, giving man-made immune system proteins. Now let's look at the different types of immunotherapy. The first one is monoclonal antibody. Second one is cancer vaccines. Third one is non-specific immunotherapies. First one, monoclonal antibodies. Any copies of specific antibodies, if they are made in a lab, it is called monoclonal antibodies. And they are designed in such a way that it will target a specific antigen, such as the antigen that is found on the cancer cells. Now there are different types of monoclonal antibodies, mainly two. First one is naked monoclonal antibodies and second one is conjugated monoclonal antibodies. As the name itself, naked monoclonal antibodies means that the antibodies work by themselves. They are not associated with any other factors. Whereas conjugated monoclonal antibodies are joined to a chemotherapy drug or associated with a radioactive particle or with some toxins. They are conjugated with chemotherapy drugs, radioactive particles or toxins, and therefore they are of three types. If monoclonal antibodies are associated with radioactive particles, it is called radio-labeled antibody and the treatment is called radioimmunotherapy. If the conjugated monoclonal antibodies are associated with chemotherapy drugs, it is called chemo-labeled antibody. And if it is with any cell toxin, it is called immunotoxins. Now let's see in detail. Naked monoclonal antibodies can boost a person's immune system to fight against cancer cells or by blocking certain proteins that help cancer cells to grow. For example, Herceptin or Trastuzumab. Now second one, conjugated monoclonal antibodies. They are also referred as tagged, labeled or loaded antibodies. They are divided into different groups based on what they are linked, which we have already discussed, that are radio-labeled antibody, chemo-labeled antibody and immunotoxins. Now let's see the side effects of monoclonal antibodies. They are allergic reactions, flu-like symptoms like fever, chills, cough, then nausea, diarrhea and skin rashes. There can be many other complications as well. Now let's see about cancer vaccines. The goal is to prevent the cancer from coming back after all the treatment. The vaccines to prevent cancer are still in study, but the main two are HPV and HBV. HBV vaccines are found to prevent liver cancer and HPV in state of cervical cancer, anal cancer and throat cancer. Now there are different types of vaccines. Tumor cell vaccine, antigen vaccine, dendritic cell vaccine, DNA vaccine and vector-based vaccines. The side effects of these are fever, fatigue, back and joint pain, nausea, headache, breathing problems and high BP. Now let's see about non-specific immunotherapies. They do not target any cancer cells specifically. They are cytokines and interleukins. Cytokines are chemicals by some immune system cells. They are crucial in controlling the growth and activity of other immune system cells and blood cells in the body. They are injected either under the skin, into a muscle, or into a vein. Interleukins helps immune system cells grow and divide more quickly. And the side effects are flu-like symptoms, weight gain, nausea and vomiting, decreased blood pressure, abnormal heartbeat, and chest pain. Thank you, and I hope you have understood immunotherapy. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live Magus videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.